The Karasu Bazaar in the center of Osh Old Town is said to be the most prosperous place in Kyrgyzstan. Goods from east and west are bought and sold here. Jurdis Toimatova runs a clothing store. In recent years, her business has flourished. More customers are visiting the market thanks to improvements in the transport infrastructure.
Жол бағы қан сияқты, артерия сияқты эле байланышып турат да. Бардык тиричилигибиз жол аркылуу да биздики. Табан каш өтүш оштон ташылат биздин айылдарга.
Jurdi's husband, Berdabey Toimatova, is an international hauler who's on the road all year round. Berdabey comes from a village called Saratash, less than 200 kilometers from Osh. It occupies an excellent location where three major highways meet, connecting to Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and China. Saratash was established in the 1950s as a settlement for road builders. Ironically, its own road conditions remained poor for half a century.
Буга чейинки эски жол болгондо жолдун сапаты начар болуп, жолдо биз узагыраак жүрөт элек. Оштон биздин айылга Сарыташка жетиш үчүн бир күн кечке жол жүрөт элек.
Then, in 2013, the Osh-Saratash-Urkishtam highway opened to traffic. As a key section of the China-Kyrgyzstan-Uzbekistan International Highway, it transformed life for Berdabey and Saratash village.
Азыр эми бул жол бүткөндөн кийин Оштон Сарыташка жеңил машина менен 2,5 саат 3 саатка жетпей жетип коет.
At the Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit in September 2014, the 6 member countries signed an intergovernmental agreement on facilitating international road transport. The accord led to marked improvement in connectivity among the SCO member states. In early 2018, the China-Kyrgyzstan-Uzbekistan International Highway fully opened to traffic. This transnational highway starts in Kashgar, China, and passes through Kyrgyzstan before ending in Tashkent, the capital of Uzbekistan. Its total length is nearly 1,000 kilometers. On October the 27th, 2012, the first major infrastructure project built with a concession loan from the Shanghai Cooperation Organization was completed. The project was the Sheristan Tunnel in Tajikistan, and its opening meant the Tajikistan-Uzbekistan highway was passable throughout the year. This 5.2-kilometer-long tunnel opened up the Dushanbe-Khujand highway by cutting through the mountains that separated the northern and southern regions of Tajikistan.
منوزش کنیم استقلالیت من راه بهت خوب است در دوام 3 ساعت به دوشنبه میرید 3 ساعت به خوجان میرید در یک روز 2 بار 3 بار رفته میرویم این همش با تشبث جناب عالی.
On February the 25th, 2016, Uzbekistan's first ever railway tunnel opened to traffic. The Kamchik Tunnel is a vital link on the route from the Fergana Basin to Tashkent. People living in the Fergana area no longer have to take a detour through another country to get to their own capital city.
Onamiz onaxon bilan kelib, shu Toshkentda aylanib, qarindosh-urug'lar ko'rib, O'zbekiston xohlagan joyimizga boramiz.
The development of transport has brought unprecedented connectivity among the member states of the SCO. The village of Saratash in Kyrgyzstan has a population of fewer than 2,000, yet it has 2 hotels. Berdabey owns one of them. An influx of tourists is keeping his family very busy.
It's a nice kind of quiet getaway from the busyness of places like Osh. The scenery is really beautiful as well.
well, a few months ago, I didn't even know this place existed. And coming through here, it's really feels like a hidden secret.